Hey YouTube, my name is Abby. Welcome to Colorado. This flow is going to be great for anyone who sits a lot or if you're traveling a lot. I made this for a friend who is having some issues with her lower spine and core, hips are involved in that. So this is a little bit of trunk work and hopefully this helps relieve any tension, any stress in this area and just gets all that stagnant energy flowing. Let's get right into it in tabletop. All fours. Square everything off, press into your fingertips. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the chin. Exhale, tuck the chin, curl the spine. Push into the hands and the tops of the feet. Inhale, cow, drop the belly. Exhale, cat. One more time. Hold your tabletop position, tuck your toes under, keep pressing into your fingertips. That's really important for this next part. Hover your knees just an inch off the mat. Hold it and breathe. Try to take any huge arch out of your low back. Okay, we're drawing low belly in, drawing the entire rib cage in as well, like a corset. Now squeeze your knees in towards one another a little bit. Take them both over to the right. Left. Right. Left, right, left. 2 more times each direction. Gotta fire up the core, warm everything up. When you finish, hold it in the center, knees are in neutral, hovering table, 1 more breath. Step your feet back to plank. You might walk your hands out a little further too. Take a full round of breath here. Exhale, slow, lower to the belly. Come up onto your forearms. Your palms are facing down, elbows are slightly in front of the shoulders here. Sphinx pose. Pull your chest through your shoulders. Press the tops of the feet into the mat. Now, adding some movement to our Sphinx pose. Do your best to keep this shape as still, as stiff as possible in the center, okay? But try to lift your right leg. Keep everything still. Maybe reach your left arm forward. Back to the center. Lift the left leg. Try the right arm. Back to the center. 2 more times each side. It's meant to be a little slow. Make sure you pause and reach at the top, okay? We're not just lifting. We're also looking for a little bit of length. This is so good for strengthening the low back and the back side of the core. Hold your Sphinx in the center. Keep your hands exactly where they are. Start to lift your elbows. Squeeze your glutes. Do not move anything. Imagine you are dragging your hands back toward the rest of your body. Pull your chest forward. If you want a little extra, lift your feet. One more breath. And relax. Ooh, hands under the shoulders. Press your hips back. Child's pose, Balasana. Allow the low back to get some spaciousness. You might sway side to side. Let yourself just be really loosey-goosey here. Now lift up, find a seat. Legs out in front of you, knees bent. Take your feet almost to the width of the mat, hands behind you. Keep your chest lifted, windshield wiper the knees side to side. Open as far as you can, then close the other knee. Open as far as you can, then close the other knee. Next time you take it to the left, hold it there, sit yourself up. So now you're in a 90 sit-ish, facing the left side of your mat. Sit up tall. Your hands can frame your front shin. Right leg is what we are working right here. Lift your right knee. Drop the knee. Try to lift just the foot. A lot harder. 2 more times. If you're like, I'm not getting any movement, how the hell? It takes time. Okay, it takes practice. If you're doing it and nothing's budging, keep trying. Mind-body connection is everything, and you probably have never tapped into that super deep hip muscle before. Give yourself some time. Now fold forward over your left shin, kind of like pigeon pose, a modified pigeon pose. I'm hoping you're getting a stretch in your left side hip and glute. One more breath. Sit yourself up. Now lean back. You may want to tuck your right foot a little closer to your glute if that's possible as you start to lean back. You may lower down to your elbows. Don't feel like you have to go super far into this. We're not going to be here very long. Another way you can deepen the stretch without laying really far back is squeezing your glutes and then trying to take the arch out of your back. So I'm kind of pressing my pelvis forward, and that's causing my hips to kind of go into that anterior right and then lengthening my quad. And now I'm getting even deeper of a stretch right here. Just one more breath. And then sit yourself up. Switch sides. So we take our 90-90 sit facing the right side. Just take a moment, settle in, frame your hands around your front shin. Left leg is what we are working now. Lift just your left knee. Drop, left foot. Drop. 2 more times. Once you finish, fold forward over your right shin. As far in as you need to feel the stretch in your right glute. One more breath. Sit up. Lean back onto your hands. Option to tuck your left foot in a little closer. Don't judge my dirty feet, by the way. Avery and I have obviously been running around in the forest today, getting a bit dirty, so we'll call it the dirty foot movement. One more breath. And sit yourself back up. Face the front of the room, top of the mat, whatever. Feet together, knees out wide for butterfly, Supta Baddha Konasana. Roll the shoulders down and back. Use the strength of your glutes and your hips to press your knees down toward the ground, then start to fold forward. Trying to pull your chest past, trying to pull your chest past your toes. One more breath. Keep your legs in this butterfly shape. Scoot forward. Arms go out in front of you. Roll slow all the way down to your back. Try to keep your feet down the entire time. Lay your arms down by your sides. Your knees are still in butterfly. Press your palms into the mat. Butterfly bridge pose. Lift your glutes. Squeeze your butt at the top. Lower back down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower. 3 more times. A lot of our low back pain and discomfort comes from having weak glutes. They are obviously directly connected, and when we're not working them, when we're not using our glute muscles and we're just sitting on them all day, no wonder there's tension around the supported spine. Bring your knees together. Feet a little bit further, hips width distance apart-ish, just a regular bridge now. Lift the glutes, inhale, exhale, lower down. 4 more times. 2. Last one. Lower your glutes down, draw your knees in towards your chest, and rock side to side. I'm going to give you a few seconds here to just move around. You can stay like this. You can do some happy baby. Maybe you extend one leg to the other. You might send both legs up to the sky. They don't have to be totally straight. You can keep a bend in the knees and just let any swelling from your ankles, from your knees drain, especially if you've been like driving all day or sitting at a desk all day. It's a good time to roll out the ankles, spread out the toes. Maybe even the same to the wrists and the fingers. Draw the right knee in. Left leg goes out long, wind relieving pose. Take the right knee to the left for a supine twist. Right arm reaches to the right, gaze follows the fingertips. Back to the center. Release the right leg, left knee in towards the chest. Take it to the right for your twist. Gaze goes left. Back to the center. Final resting pose. Final resting pose, Shavasana. Let your palms face the sky, toes turn out naturally. And just breathe for the last minute here. Allow your spine to settle into its natural curvature. Bring both knees in towards the chest. Begin to rock yourself up and down the length of the spine. Do it a couple times. The last time that you lift yourself up, try to float your feet. Practice is over, but we're trying to help out the hips and low back, right? A little extra core is not gonna hurt. Take one more breath here. And release. Find a comfortable seat. Roll the shoulders down and back. Sit up tall. Bring your hands together at the heart center. Thank you for allowing me to guide you through this practice and for being a part of my practice. The student and the teacher in me honors the student and teacher in you. Thank you so much for being here, y'all.